Hello friends. So welcome to post market report on 20th of October 2022. Okay. So I think as per my pre-market report. So what we discussed in pre-market report, it exactly happened. So that's why I'm just posting my post-market report. Okay. So in morning, we had discussed about market is not moving much. So I told you XGS Nifty indicated around over 100 to 80 to 100 points of gap down. I told that immediately it will recover. Okay. So immediately it will recover. That what we discussed. Okay. So it was exactly happened again. Market is not moving anywhere. It is just stick to the particular value. So I told market may close between 17,250 to 17,550. Just 13 points higher it is closed 17,563. You can see Nifty it is closed around 17,563. So just a small movement as seen in intraday, but if you have deployed iron fly, then it will be a good profit. Okay, so you can see the open interest for Nifty. You can see there is no buying were seen both in call option as well as put option. You are seeing a lot of put option selling as well as unwinding. You can see, but there is no buying opportunities or buying were seen in OA both in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. You can see. So some of the call option buying was seen in 41,000. Sir, put option as buying. Okay, that is in the money put option, but it is not working out. Any of this expiry is closed. Okay, so tomorrow will be the fresh expiry. Okay, so even India VIX is not at all moving anywhere. 17,000, just 0.26 percentage fall. That too, last time, last minute, it is market shoot up around 50 to 60 points. For this reason, so your India VIX fall to 17.23. Okay, so exactly it happened. And 2 days back, we discussed about option stock option, that is ITC. So expected the result at any time today. Okay, so if you look at to this ITC, you can see a lot of put option writing as well as good number of call option buying as seen. Excuse me. So this shows the result may be good. So immediately I post another video. So 2 days back, we discussed about an option buying strategy with hedge position on ITC. Could have not seen, it is available in our channel. Please do watch it. Okay, so it will be an already that particular option is running in a profit. Okay, so hope based upon the good result, ITC may go up to 370 by this expiry. Okay, so we'll see the chart also. Okay, so ITC may go up to 370 is already the resistance is broken. Okay, so the next resistance level is 366 and it may break. Okay, expected to break or it may close or it may break this 366 and below 380 it may close for this expiry. Okay, so hope you enjoy the watching the video. Okay, so please do subscribe our channel D Trading Class. Okay, we are keep on posting regular updates about stock market and new strategies. So to how to trade in this market, we different types of algo trading strategies that we keep on posting. Okay, so do subscribe and press the like button. Okay, and share to your friends. An account opening link is given in description, so you can open a free demat and trading account with Allies Blue. Okay, so it costs 15 rupees per trade and delivery is free. And Telegram channel link is available in description, and stock market workshop details are given in website. The website address is given in description, so please make use of it and learn and trade yourself. Okay, so thank you friends, thank you for watching.